Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Dede Hamzah. Here I will review the material from the first meeting to the second meeting. For the first meeting, it was about dance and fun. By asking about free time activities, okay, this material discusses what activities you like during free time. Here it contains conversation between two people. Consider the following example. I'm sorry if the picture is a little unclear. Yes, based on this example, there is a conversation between two people was about hobbies or activities in their spare time. You can see the word "make" in blue and green. Yes, for this material I will review that we can find out vocabulary by relating to activities in our spare time with the question, what do you do in your free time? And the answer, I like to solve or I like to listen to the music. At the second meeting discussion, I'd love to go by inviting someone and responding to an invitation. Here are some examples of types of film. In this part of the material, I will explain that is discussion, invitation, and respond by talking example in everyday life. For example, asking or inviting friend to watch film and activate film. This is of course so that we can know the vocabulary in the invitation or invitation. The following are examples of the type of movie. At the third meeting discussion, I'm sorry, but I can. By rejecting the invitation, later give reason. In this review, we discuss the rejection of the invitation and the give the reason. The same thing with previous meeting, still discussion vocabulary in conversation. Here are some examples of invitation as follows. An example of the reason for refusing is I'm sorry, but I can't because I'm going to the mall with my brother. The fourth meeting discussion, sorry, I'm late, by apologizing and responding to an apology. In this review, we discuss about apology for the delay and forgive for delay. Here we are still discussing the vocabulary of apologizing and its response. Talk everyday conversation. Here are some examples. I was stuck in traffic. I called. In my case, my car broke down. At the fifth meeting, discussion daily activities using an object, for example. Number 1, I read novel during the day. Number 2, I use a gel pen when writing. Number 3, I write using a paper binder. So the review in this discussion tries use in the vocabulary to convey what we do or our activities when at home. In the sixth week, it discussing asking double question and describing past event. The review on this material I still discussing vocabulary start from number 1 by using the word do, did, does, have, has, will, would, can, could. Answer it requires the word yes, no. Example, does she have money or have you gone there? Number 2, information. To provide information, for example, who did you call last night? Or when does he come? Number 3 question, tag or meaning reinforcement. For example, I do not have to eat them all. Do eat or you will leave me alone. What you for this and the word dash in a face on meaning at the end of this sentence. Then what is meant by double question is to combine two question word between yes no. An information question, for example, when will you marry me? Or why do you love me?